And for the gentleman?
Yeah, I'll have the Thai chicken pizza. But hey, look, if I get it without the nuts and leeks and stuff, is it cheaper?
You'd think, wouldn't you? Miss?
Okay, I will have the side salad.
And what would that be on the side of?
I don't know. Why don't you just put it right here next to my water?
And for you?
I'm gonna have a cup of the cucumber soup and, take care.
I will have the Cajun catfish.
Anything else?
Yes, how about a verse of Killing Me Softly? You're gonna sneeze on my fish, aren't you?